opponents. The key motion: carry, bend, and extend. Again.
Ubo juga ate.
Carry,
Ubo juga na.
you bend and you extend. Another basic exercise from key aikido is the Ichiro Tokobe Toriwasa, a bowing backward motion exercise. The key steps: lift, side step, back step, twist the arms, and bow. The application still is to evade and escape. Lift, side step, back step, twist, and bow. Again. You lift, side step, back step, twist, and bow. Now, we are going to show you the techniques. Techniques can be applied with one attacker. There is no offensive motion with aikido. The motions are all to evade, to escape. Second technique. Techniques for two attackers. Still, the principle is to use your opponent's power, gather positive energy, evade, and escape. Evade, and escape. Now, we're going to show you the application for three opponents.
Sa tondo, hindi na ako magaganyan-ganyan pag tinutukan.
Unlike any other martial arts, aikido also have weapons. The use of the samurai sword. In all the movements, positive energy is used. You go where the energy goes.
See.
The samurai sword. The stick. The practitioner are using the stick with positive energy and seldom uses strenuous and tension hands. It's all soft movements, swift motion, and relax. For any interested students or person, you may call